Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO K12x and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. Then mark settings, click on languages, tap add language, add keyboard, choose the one that you want to apply. So you can either scroll till you find the preferred language, or in search area you can enter it. Then mark done, and now you can either stay with both languages, and once you've got two languages or more, you can switch between them smoothly by tapping on this word icon. But if you want to have one language only, just go back to settings and remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit, mark the language to delete, tap on bin icon, and then once you're back here, you've got one language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.